my loves, Cyndoll here, coming at you with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you these caviar nails while reviewing Modelones poly nail gel, and I'm really in love with it. Now I'm gonna leave, you know, all of the contents of the box as well as like the written out names of the colors and all of that, but you get a base coat and a top coat as well as 6 different colors. This here is basically something to help you make the gel more pliable and, you know, a little easier to work with. But I actually like using alcohol better a little bit, but don't quote me on that because I'm not a polygel pro. This is like my second time doing it, and yeah, but it comes with quite a few things. This is a very good file, and then here is the tool that you will use. So one end is a spatula, and this is what you would take the actual polygel out with, and then you're gonna smooth it with that little brush. Okay, so first I am starting with the light pink, and with this, what we are going to do, I'm not doing a very extravagant color. The focal point of it is supposed to be I'm doing the quotation little things with my fingers, the caviar and whatnot, but you know, we'll get to that in a second. The first thing that I'm going to do, of course, is prep my nails, and it gets really hot in Vegas, and I think my body just reacts to it because I promise I push my cuticles back, you know, on a regular basis. It don't be like months, it don't, I promise, but it was a lot. So I'll have another video coming for that, like all by itself, me just pushing my cuticles back and using the nippers, because it got real. That needed a video all within itself. Okay, so let me know in the comments below if whether or not you want to see that. Now this Modelones kit can be found on Amazon Prime, okay, and I'm gonna leave this kit in the description box below. Well, my link to my Amazon store will be in the description box below, and then this will be on my Amazon store. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money, but I've been seeing a lot of these going around, so I wanted to go ahead and respond to it because a lot of you have been asking me about it, you know, in response to my other nail videos and things on my blog. So here we go. So the first thing you're doing, even though I've already done it a couple times, but you can see it's already done. It's cured under there for 1 minute. That's all it takes. Now I'm taking some of the gel. Now I will say that the more gel you use, the better. Naturally, when I first put it on, I was like, okay, it doesn't need a whole bunch of gel, but actually it do, girl. Because if you don't use enough, girl, it's not gonna sit, girl, and you're gonna be mad, girl. Okay, girl. So for this one I'm using the pink one, and actually that one's called soft pink, but it's very, like, it's barely see-through at all, even though it kind of looks like it, but it's not, guys. It's not, and you'll see that in a second. But it came out looking really good, and you can see through very well. However, I want it to be a little bit more milky, so I did go in and add a little more. You'll see that result in a second. Now I'm doing a white one. Now for this set, and actually whenever I do nails like this, I never have a set plan of what I'm gonna do. I just know what colors I'm going for and which textures I'm using, so I'll just grab as I go. But that's pretty much it on this. Now as I put them on, I will say I am no pro at polygel, and it is a lot harder than it looks. Okay, so I know a lot of people you know, they put it on and then they take it off and it's like blam, but for me, not so really. Not so much. The one thing that I will say, my hands are small, so it was really hard for me to get them to stick onto my nails because my nails are so small. So like they would go on there and then they would just lift right up. So this took your girl a minute, okay? And don't ever question my loyalty. I love y'all, okay? Because I was 2.5 seconds away from being like, they'll be okay. It's enough people reviewing stuff, okay? Thank you. But now I'm just going to go ahead and put these final touches on here. Sorry about these angles, okay? I am getting used to filming nail videos, so I am going to get better, but this is me, you know, putting it on. And once I got the nail on, then like I said, it went under the lamp for a full minute. And after that minute, it came out, and then, you know, we were ready to go. So I didn't put the whole filing thing in here, even though you can hear some of the sounds and things. Actually, I think I'm gonna be quiet. Yeah, I just want to give you that really quick. So once all of the filing and things like that have been done, now I'm going to go ahead and put on this top coat, and I'm going to show you how I put the black things and stuff on there in 1 millisecond. But now I'm just putting the final top coat on there, and then that is going to go ahead and cure for how long? 1 minute to 60 seconds. Yes. Now if you want to go longer than that, I guess you could, but I just don't need to be in a UV light that long. So So now it's going under there, and I'm wiping that little sticky layer off. And once the sticky layer is off, they look so good. Honestly, I wish you guys could see them in person. So this glitter here I got from Michael's forever ago, so I don't know if you'll be able to find it. I don't know, but all of my nails already have the top coat on it, and obviously it hasn't been cured yet because that's how this stuff is going to stick to it. And now I'm literally just pressing it on there whenever I put this brush in it, because this is one of my acrylic brushes, and whenever I put that in there, the little pieces literally just stick to it. And like I said, I got these little pieces forever ago, because when I was super into nails, I used to do caviar nails all the time, and I had a whole bunch of different colors. I actually have some pink ones and green ones and white ones this color. So if you want to see one of my caviar sets, let me know and I'll do it. But I'm just placing these wherever. Like I said, I'm not a nail tech by trade, never been a nail tech by trade, even though I'm licensed to do so, but it was just never my thingamajigger. So I don't know if most nail techs have a certain way that they plan out stuff, girl, but I don't have that, girl. Okay, girl. So now I'm just placing them. I had to look at my other hand just to see at least what fingers are being used. Now I know some people are gonna be like, oh my gosh, she covering up everything. Well, that is the point. The point was not to make the flowers the focal point. I want the background to look kind of like hazy and like, oh, what's that peeking out from the Himalayas in the back? Like, that's how I want it to look, okay? But I want it to look messy, caviar, just like it was thrown on there, okay? So after that's on, it's gonna go back under to cure for a minute, and then I'm taking them off. And I did file them down. Sorry, I missed that clip, but I just went ahead and got a little nail buffer. And these bead thingamajiggers are that color on the inside, so even once you buff them, it's not gonna, it didn't change the color or anything. And now, girl, I am just putting some stuff on my ashy hands, girl. They is ashy. Let me, as a matter of fact, I just need to go ahead and just touch up everything just out here in these streets looking ashy, just Lord. Okay, so I really hope that this video was good to you guys. Okay, I am actually in love with this polygel. I'm not gonna lie though, I need to practice more, so stay with me in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if whether or not you have any color requests or anything like that, because I want to, you know, do what you guys like. Now, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog, and I want to thank you all so much for sticking with me through this transition for my channel. But let me talk to you for a minute. Wait, listen real quick, okay? As y'all know, there have been changes going on here on YouTube, okay, here. So if we're gonna make things work together, we're gonna have to work together as a unit. So when you are here, these are the things that I need you to do: XYZ, A through B, okay? This is what we're gonna do. Boom. I need you guys to make sure you are subscribed to my website, because once you're subscribed there, I'll send a notification once whether you get it here or not. but also make sure you subscribe so you can click that bell. Yes, so you'll be notified, and make sure you comment. Let me know what you think, and let's try to get this video up to like 200-300 likes before, I don't know, like the first 48 hours, 24 hours, I don't know. Comments and likes, let's start making that a regular thing here, okay? I love you guys so much. Make sure you let me know what you think. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Please share this video and all of my other videos.